Hi everybody, today I show you my new tabletop tripod. It is a tripod from Neewer. So, if you want to work with your camera, like streaming or for video blogging, you need some tripod for use it on your table. That's why you need small tripod for your table. And it is very cheap and highly quality tripod. And today I'll show you this tripod for something about $35 or $30. It is very cheap and good and highly quality tripod. And look at this. You can make it small like this. One moment. So, as you can see, it is very small and compact tripod. As you can see, it is enough high. You can open up this part of this tripod. It is enough strong, and I like this tripod. It is cheap. It is I got it for I got this tripod for live streaming on my Russian channel, and it is very cheap and it is really very comfortable for work. Let's set up our camera. It is Canon 200D or Canon SL2 on American market. It is a large DSLR camera, and let's try to set up this camera on my work table. So let's begin. First of all, let's I need to work with camera on my eyes level. I got it for something about $35 or $30. It is enough cheap and good quality tripod. It's enough. Let's look at the metal head of this tripod. If you want to order this tripod, you can find the link after the video. So now I can shoot my videos from my table, and I can rotate the camera in different angles. For example, I can set up camera like this one, or I can get it in, and I can get it up like this one. Look at this. It is very simple for work, and it is really good quality in my opinion. Very good tabletop tripod. I really recommend it. It looks like professional tripod for a little money. Today I shooted with this tripod 2 videos, and it is very good. It is really very good. I don't know what to say. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Sorry for my bad English. I hope you understand the main idea of this video. This is a tabletop tripod from Neewer, very cheap and good assembled tripod for video bloggers, for photographers, for video shooters. I really recommend it for work. You can get it to gift for your friend, or you can get it for yourself anyway. Very good tripod. You can work with heavy DSLR cameras. Very good solution. I really recommend it. Strong and good metal tripod. As you can see, it's works very well.